So let's discuss a question that was asked in JEE Mains 22nd January 2nd shift. Let y is equal to f of x be solution of differential equation dy by dx plus xy upon x square minus 1 is equal to x raised to power 6 plus 4x upon under root of 1 minus x square. X varies from minus 1 to 1 such that f of 0 is equal to 0 if integration minus half to half f of x dx is equal to 2 pi minus alpha, then alpha square is equal to. So this is easy question, but it is a bit lengthy question. So let's do this question. So we will fade down the question. It is dy by dx plus xy upon x square minus 1 is equals to x raised to power 6 plus 4x divided by under root of 1 minus x square. So we can compare this equation with linear differential equation. It is dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So we can compare p of x here is x upon x square minus 1. So in linear differential equation, integration is integrating factor is e raised to power integral px dx. So here integrating factor is x raised to x upon x raised to power 2 minus 1. So integrating factor is e raised to power x upon x square minus 1. So to integrate it, we use substitution. We can put x square minus 1 is equal to t. So 2x dx is equals to dt. X dx is equal to dt upon 2. So the general solution of linear differential equation is y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q of x into integrating factor dx. So y into integrating factor. So what is integrating factor? Let's find it. So e raised to power integral x upon x square minus 1. We assume x square minus 1 is t. So x dx is dt by 2. Integral of dt, 1 by 2 common, it's constant, so we can take it out, dt upon t. So the integration of dt upon t is ln mod t. Always remember to use mod whenever there is a log. So this is ln mod t raised to power 1 by 2. So we know this e raised to power ln t upon t raised to power 1 by 2 base e. So this will get cancelled. So we get t raised to power 1 by 2. What is t? T is x square minus 1 mod under root. So here one things to check. In question x varies from minus 1 to 1. So if we put any number between minus 1 to 1, this will always negative. So we will open this with negative sign because there is a mod. So 1 minus x square will be correct. So now integrating factor is y into under root of 1 minus x square is equal to, what is q of x? Q of x is x raised to power 6 plus 4 of x under root 1 minus x square into integrating factor is 1 minus x square under root dx. So finally it is get cancelled. So this is, and we are given with f of 0 is equal to 0. So if we put the value of y0 and x0, so firstly we will integrate it, y into under root 1 minus x square is equal to, so integration of x raised to power 6 dx is x raised to power 7 upon 7 plus integration of 4x dx is 4 out x square by 2, this is 2x square plus c. Now f of 0 is 0, so if we put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, so then this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, therefore c equal to 0. So we are left with y is equal to x raised to power 7 upon 7 plus 2x square upon under root of 1 minus x square, which is equal to f of x. Now we have to integrate f of x dx from minus half to half 6 times is equal to 2 pi minus alpha. So let's do it. So we have to integrate it. 6 minus half to half. This is x raised to power 7 upon 7 plus 2x square upon 2x square upon under root of 1 minus x square dx. So if we write it as partial x raised to power 7 upon under root of 1 minus x square plus 2x upon under root of 1 minus x square, so this term it is odd function, because of to check whether it is odd, we say if there is f of minus x is equal to minus times f of x, then it is odd function, and the integration of odd function from minus a to a will always be 0. So the integration of this term will be 0. So we are left with 6 into integration of minus half to half 2x square upon under root of 1 minus x square dx. So now what we can do, outside the integration it is 12. This is for even function, we if there is minus a to a, we can integrate it from 0 to a and into 2 times. We have learned this formula, and this is x square upon under root of 1 minus x square dx. So this is standard integration. So to integrate it, we put x is equal to sine theta. X is equal to sine theta, so we get dx is equal to cos theta d theta. So let's integrate it. 24 into integral of x sine theta, this is sine square theta from 0 to half, dx is cos theta d theta, and this is x is sine theta, so it is 1 under root of 1 minus sine square theta, which is cos theta. So cos theta will get cancelled, so we have to integrate 24 integral 0 to half sine square, we have to integrate sine square theta d theta. So this is very simple. To integrate it, we know this what we know it from trigonometry. This is a formula to sine 2 sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So we replace it, sine square theta from sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. So final integration 24 0 to half sine square 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2 d theta. This is very simple. So the integration of this is 2 common, so it is 12. So it is equal to 12, or integration of 1 is theta and cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, and there is 2, so sin 2 theta upon 2. And it is, sorry, I have put the limit wrong. Blender, wait. See, if x is equal to sin theta, x vary from 0 to half, then the value of sin theta will be 0 to sin theta half at pi by 6. Sorry. So it vary from 0 to pi by 6. 0 to pi by 6. 0 to pi by 6. So it is 0 to pi by 6. So what we have left with, put the upper limit 12 into pi by 6 minus, this is sin 2 theta upon 2, we put pi by 6, so we get sin 2 theta upon 2, yani ki this is sin pi by 3, which is equal to pi by 3, which is equal to root 3 by 2 upon 2 is equal to root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4. So finally we have to compare it with 2 pi minus alpha. So this is 2 pi minus and alpha 3, and from 4 it is get cancelled with 3 times, so minus 3 root 3, which is equal to 2 pi minus alpha. So 2 pi minus minus alpha is 3 root 3, 3 root 3, and the square of this is 3 root 3. The square of this is 9 into 3, which is equal to 27 is the answer. I hope you like this video.